to Liam's Looney Tubes. I know it's been a while since my last video. At least it's not been a year like last video. I'm gonna try to get more content out regularly. Hey, I'm 8. I'm doing my best here. So if you're like me, and you live pretty much anywhere in the world, you've been staying home a lot lately, which was great for about a week. And now you're so bored. Wow. I present to you Isolation Station. You're gonna need a parent's help. So grab your mom and dad, sit back, get ready to learn something new, and let's get started. Today's Isolation Station challenge is baking. Don't let that scare you off. It'll be fun, trust me. Since we're trying to conserve what we have in our pantry, I picked a recipe with only 3 ingredients. My KK's Cobbler. Wait, your mom's Cobbler? Go. A dump cake. Whatever you want to call it, it's delicious. First things first, and very important, wash those hands. See how shiny they are? They're so shiny. Now, here's what you need. A box of yellow cake mix, a can of fruit pie filling, a stick of butter. That's all the ingredients. 1 square glass baking dish, a cutting board, it's here, a butter knife, and a spoon. Dun dun dun! Step 1 is to preheat your oven to 350. Again, make sure you have a grown-up with you. You don't want to burn the house down. You need your baking dish. Grease the bottom and all sides. Now you want to take your fruit pie filling. Dump the fruit into your dish. Come out, please. Thank you. Next, take your cake mix. So good. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. And carefully pour the mix on top of the fruit. This is gonna be kind of fun. Whoa, that's a big chunk right there. And spread it out with your spoon again. Spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it, spread it. Make sure to cover all the fruit. It'll look like this. Now, take your stick of butter and your butter knife, because they still have the same name. Gotta place the cutting board right here, but the cake is right there, so we gotta move that right over there where the cutting board is. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's yellow. Ah. Now you want to dot your mix with your slices of butter. That's just a way of saying put the butter all over the top. it'll look like this. You definitely need parents' help for this. It's upside down right here. Your crust will be a beautiful golden brown. Make sure to have your parents to get it out of the oven. It's perfect with ice cream on top. Oh, didn't grab any. Wow. Make sure to share this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.